Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 2 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 4 A and D. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, let's remember one, naming words are nouns, singular and plural, Tina's books. Okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here A and D or the. Okay, so here use a or an correctly in the blanks. Clap once for using a, clap two times for using an. So here I am dash Indian. So here you have to use an according to the pronunciation. So here I am an Indian e. So here you have to use an. The next here I am dash student. So here pronunciation consonant. Okay, student s. So you have to use here a. Then next I go to a dash school that is 5 kilometer from home. I go to a school. Then next I take dash bus to school, a bus. So as you find your consonant, that's why you have to use a. Then next my mother is a dash expert. So here pronunciation vowel. That's why you have to use an. Then next here she has dash oven to bake cakes. Oven o vowel. Okay, pronunciation. So you have to use an. Clear? So here some examples are provided here. An is used before the words that starts with a vowel sound. Okay, not vowel letter, vowel sound. A is used when a word starts with a non-vowel sound. Okay. So here put a or an before the given words. Remember to use an before a vowel sound. So here dash bench, a bench. The next dash girl, a girl. The next dash unicorn, u. That means here u. Okay, so here this is not vowel sound. A unicorn. Don't write an unicorn. A university, not an university. Okay, so here u. Okay, unicorn. That means u. So u here sounds like consonant. So you have to use a. The next dash egg. So here pronunciation. Okay. So here you have to use an egg. The next here dash hospital. So here a hospital. The next dash hour. So here h remains silence. Okay. So you have to use your an hour. A. Okay. A. So you have to use an hour. Dash oven, an oven. The next dash year, a year. Okay, so here a year. And here you also find some examples are provided here. Okay, a university, a unicorn, a one-eyed crow. Right, so here did you notice that in these words u makes the same sound as the y, right? So as we have discussed, university u, unicorn u. Okay, so you have to use a, not an. Okay, so here a here. The next dash water bottle, a water bottle. The next here fill in the blanks with a or an. I want dash red apple. So here a red apple. The next which pet will you choose? Dash young cat, a young cat, or a puppy. The next my grandfather used dash ink pot, ink e. Here you have to use an as there is a vowel sound. The next I have dash boiled egg every morning, boiled. So here consonant sound. Okay, so you have to use a. The next I shall ask for dash onion to go with the kebab. So here onion o vowel sounds. So you have to use an. The next as dash Indian I respect our national flag. Indian e. Pronunciation e. Okay, so here sounds vowel sounds e. So you have to use an Indian. The next my sister helped dash old man o. So here vowel sounds o. Okay, so you have to use your an. The next my friend has a dash horse, a horse. Dash elephant a. So here pronunciation elephant a. Okay, so you have to use your an elephant. Clear? The next use a or an correctly in the blanks below. तो here dash girl found a girl dash small bag on the street. तो here a girl found a small bag. She took it home. She studied for dash hour. तो here hour as we have already discussed. तो here h remains silence. So you have to use your hour. Okay, hour. तो here o vowel sounds. So you have to use an. She had a dash exam. Exam a pronunciation a an exam. After dash hour. तो here similarly h remains silence. Okay, an hour. She looked inside the bag. She found dash orange. Oh, okay. तो here a. तो as like here pronunciation. Okay. तो as like the pronunciation egg a. Okay. D here. Pronunciation vowel sounds a, not e. Okay. A. Similarly here dash orange. An orange. Oh. Okay. A mobile phone. An air ticket. An a air ticket. So here vowel sounds a. And a book. So there is also dash address book. That means a pronunciation, vowel pronunciation. Okay, vowel sounds. So there is also an address book. The girl was dash honest, not honest, honest. Okay, so here h silence, honest. So you have to use an. What do you think she did with the bag? Okay. Then next here complete the given text using a or the. So here once upon a time there was a. Okay, a shoemaker. So here the will be used because we have already mentioned about the shoemaker. So you have to use your the. Right? So here again. So here just look at the seconds. We use the when the same noun is used again. So here shoemaker is used in the first sentence and again this is used. Okay, here. So you have to use the. The shoemaker lived in a small hut. He could make very pretty shoes. One day a rich lady came to the. Okay, again the shoemaker is mentioned. So you have to use the. She wanted a new pair of sandals for her. Then the shoemaker worked for a month and made a beautiful pair of sandals. When the lady come, to here the lady, a lady is already used. We have already in the sentence. Okay, here lady, here a rich lady. So you already mentioned in the previous sentence. So and again the lady is mentioned. So you have to use the. She was not at all happy with the sandals. The. So here already sandals mentioned in the previous sentence. Okay. Then the sandals were made of glass and the lady, okay, the lady had big feet. She knew what would happen if she wore the sandals. Then the sandals would break. Clear? Then next here, to read the passage below, see how the has been used. So here, the earth, the, because the sun. So here the earth, the sun, the solar system, the earth, the moon, the sun, the sky, the day, the night, the Greeks, the Romans, the Indians, the moon. So here pronunciation also vary. The. Okay. So as in the beginning of this chapter I have pronounced the. Okay. A and the or the. I have before starting this chapter I have already pronounced a and the or the. So you have to pronounce the. Okay. If there is vowel is used. Vowel. The earth. Okay. The earth. But the moon. So here as there is vowel, so you have to pronounce the. So as there is a consonant, you have to pronounce the, not the. Clear? So here you find we use the when we describe something that is only one of its type, like the sky, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars, and also we use describe the people of a country, the Indians, the Japanese, the Americans. Okay, not the Americans, the Americans. So here use a or an or the correctly in these sentences. New Delhi is the capital. Then next dash sun, the sun. So here as this is a natural object, the sun rises every day. Then next we should read the newspaper every day. Then next we feel pleasant when the wind blows. Then next here my brother will buy a new bicycle. Then next here tomorrow is a holiday. Then next dash bird has built, a bird has built a nest in our tamarind tree. Then next does Hina live in the house with a garden? Then next the French are good cooks, the French. Clear? Then next I put dash ice cube, I, okay, vowel, so you have to use an. Dash Russians circled, the Russians, okay, circled the moon fast. Dash Americans landed on dash moon fast, the Americans, the moon. Okay, clear? So here revision we use a. So here already provided. Okay, so here you have to fill, we use a, right? Here we use a when a word starts with a non-vowel sound, and we use an when the word starts with a vowel sound, and we use the. Okay, so here you have to fill. Okay, we have to use the when we use the when the same noun is used again, right? So here you have to fill this sentence using the words, right? Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.